Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Quotex account. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and then go to the URL box and type in qxbroker.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official site for Quotex. To sign up for a new account, click on the sign up button at the top right hand corner. In the sign up page, enter a valid email address. Once you are done, create a password for yourself on the next field. Select a currency from the drop-down and confirm that you are 18 years or older by clicking on this little box beneath. After you are done filling in all of the details, click on registration. Now, you can select an account you would want to continue trading on. If you want to create a real account, then you'll need to go ahead and top it up with $100. Click on the second option and follow through the prompts. If you just want to explore for now and continue with a demo account without risking anything, then you should check this first option. Now wait for a few seconds and you should be able to see yourself in this interface, which means you have successfully completed signing up for Quotex. There you have your account right there. That is how you can easily sign up for Quotex with a few simple steps. Quotex is an online trading platform that offers a range of trading assets including forex, cryptocurrency, commodities, and indices. It provides traders with the ability to trade using binary options. That is how you should be able to sign up for Quotex accounts. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.